Today we'll talk about how can you find your rewards on your app, on your Decathlon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here in this sign down here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on membership program here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on my rewards here. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list. Here you will find all rewards you have. I have nothing here, but if you have it, you will find it in this list on your app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.